We hear all the time that my accountant takes care of my taxes. Let's examine this close. There's 7 words. My accountant takes care of my taxes. That's 7 words. I want you to know those are the most expensive words I hear. When you turn in your tax receipts, aren't they at the end of the year? Furthermore, when your accountant gets your receipts, doesn't he already know the end of the year has ended? And he knows that he can't help you any further with last year. Most accountants don't like to see you come because of the receipts. You'll never know that. That's why what I'm telling you seems to be a surprise to you. How would you like to get a box full of receipts, disorganized, with no totals? They generally charge you $30 to $40 an hour. They hire someone who will do that at $10 to $15 an hour, and they keep the difference because they just don't like to deal with them. They like to deal with what they do best. They like to deal with taxes, tax decisions, the big picture on taxes. So when someone comes and they say, you know, you're so disorganized, I refuse your service. I'm not going to help you with your taxes. Have you ever heard an accountant say that? I don't think so. Because they want your business. If they offend you, then you're not going to come to them. So just think of it this way. You need to sit with the accountant and make decisions for the coming year before it even starts. Not after the year's ended and everything's done. Your records should be according to the accountant's parameters. So go to them and say, how do you want me to keep my records? What would you like to see it in? What form? Do you want to see totals? Do you want to see receipts? Do you want to see them in envelopes? Do you want them stapled together? What do you want? So to help you, help the accountant, which will save you a ton of money. You can plan in advance and get tremendous tax savings. To go to your accountant and say, how do you want me to do it at the beginning of the year? And then you do what he asks. And that is the secret to success. So these 7 words, let me repeat, are the most expensive. My accountant takes care of my taxes, meaning you don't. You don't know. You don't know the rules. You don't understand. You don't know how to prepare the material or what kind of deductions to take so that the accountant can take the maximum for you. So it's kind of like the computer, junk in, junk out. The accountant is only as good as you are at supplying your accountant with what he needs.